You're watching the Ship on Day 1 Field Guide. I'm Hans. Let's get ship done. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in measuring your hosting and your hosting infrastructure. At this point, you probably have many or most of your projects set up and hosted in some way, but maybe you're not sure if they're hosted in the most efficient manner possible. And as software developers, you and I know that's important to make data-driven decisions. But to do this, we need data. During this video, we're going to look at 3 concrete ways that we can measure our hosting. Measurement 1. How many environments exist for each project? This should remain relatively constant and be a low number in enumeration of environments. For example, dev, QA, staging, and production. It should remain low in order to reflect a few number of variants between our hosted environments. Measurement 2. What is the time to deploy? This should generally trend downwards as our hosting becomes more mature and better understood on the team. Additionally, it might trend downwards if we adopt a new technology. For example, infrastructure orchestration, which can automatically manage some of these deployments and drive down deployment time even further. Measurement 3. What is the time to set up a new developer? This should also trend downwards as we better understand our hosting and as the documentation becomes more mature and comprehensive. You might think of other ways that you want to measure your hosting for your team and for your specific tech stacks. But however you want to measure it, set a goal for yourself. Maybe by the end of this sprint, choose 2 ways to measure and actually get back data on those measurements. We'll use this data in our next video on optimizing hosting. You can find that video and so many more resources for software developers at shiponday1.com. I'll see you there. Thank you.